Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily forward a text in iPhone 14. So when you're going to be in iPhone 14, it's pretty simple. You want to go to the top left and you're going to have messages. So you want to just find messages here. I have messages here and I have a message. And then what I will do, I will simply hold it. And then you're going to have more here under translate. And then on the bottom right, you're going to have this arrow. Do you see that? Click on it. And then you're going to have to, like, who do you want it to actually send to? And that's pretty much it, how you do it. So if you're going to have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. This is how you can easily forward a text message in iPhone 14. So yeah, thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.